What's going on, guys? This is Sam. Today is a special day. I just got my Galaxy S9 in, made by Samsung. I used my first ever Android phone just around a year ago when I got the Samsung Galaxy S8. I liked it, but the camera oversaturated photos, the video was kind of wonky, and the fingerprint sensor was in a bad location. I've heard a lot of those things are getting better with the S9. This release reminds me a lot of like an iPhone 6 to 6S. It's a minor upgrade. The phone basically looks the same, but there's also a lot different on the inside. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Packaging on the S9 is pretty similar to the S8 before it. You got that Samsung print on the front. Samsung always does a good job with packaging. I don't think they get enough credit. All right, on the front, Samsung Galaxy S9. Take that out of there, and the phone is right here. I did not get the Plus version. I also got Coral Blue. I've never owned a blue phone before, but this looks really cool, especially with the screen protectors on still. I'm really excited to take that off. We'll come back to that in just a second. At this point, the internals of any phone box look pretty similar. You're gonna have a USB cable, you're gonna have headphones, and you're gonna have a power brick. You get the nice USB Type-C to normal USB adapter in here, but that's pretty much the only difference that this one has compared to every other phone I've ever looked at. I like it. That's very satisfying. It's more subtle than an iPhone, but still pretty good. I'm going to agree to all these terms and conditions, of course. I read through all of them. The phone feels really snappy already. It looks like I can restore from a backup. I did not know that that was a feature on Android. Let me restore from my Galaxy S8. Date and time. It thinks that I'm in Seoul, South Korea. Now, this is not Face ID, but it is offering me some facial recognition setup. Hold the phone 8 to 20 inches from your face. Wow. Thank you. Gave my face 100%. Iris registration. This is a little bit uncomfortable. Your irises weren't recognized. They're my eyes. Oh, now it said it worked fine. Meet Google Assistant. Yes, I would love Google Assistant over Bixby. Sign me up for everything. I really like the Android setup process. It feels very fresh and very quick and very snappy. It feels a little bit different than iOS. Screen looks fantastic. That's one thing about the Samsung screens. The OLEDs look absolutely amazing. Very similar to the iPhone 10, but still really great. Interface feels pretty snappy. I like the way it feels. Ooh, let me try the fingerprint sensor that I definitely did not set up. Let me set up the new fingerprint sensor. Pick up my phone. That was really fast. So in addition to the fingerprint sensor, I also set up the iris unlock. One thing I like about the iris scanning on the Galaxy S9 is I just hold it up to my face and it unlocks to the home screen, where with the iPhone 10, it will register your face pretty quickly, but then you have to swipe up every time. There's no way to automatically go to the home screen. I really hope that's an option in something like iOS 11.3 or iOS 12. Pulling up camera right here. Let me get nice and close. 3, 2, 1. Looks a little bit washed out right now, but there's also a lot of light coming in from this direction, so it looks okay. Let me take a quick selfie, you know, huge into the selfie game. Selfie looks pretty good. Instantly, I'm noticing my face looks incredibly smooth. Some people like that. I was not a fan of this at all on the Galaxy S8. Let me try some video. I just switched it on the new 4K 60 FPS video mode. So now the iPhone 10 and the Galaxy S9 both do 4K at 60 frames per second. Get nice and close to that lens. Zoom looks pretty good. Stability while I'm sitting completely still feels nice. Got my microphone right there. Look outside my window, the view I stare at all day. Spin around. Another thing I'm noticing with the Galaxy S9 is how fast it feels. I never really felt that the Galaxy S8 was that exceptionally fast. The new Snapdragon processor inside of here is extremely speedy, extremely quick. I like how snappy everything is. That's the only word I can describe it. It feels different than iOS. It's not a very fluid animation. Everything just kind of pops in and out. And if you like that, I think you're really gonna like the Galaxy S9. So I'm gonna spend some time with this phone. I will get back to you with my full review, camera comparison, speed test, and more videos. Let me know anything that you want to see or hear about the Galaxy S9 by leaving a comment down below. Any other comparisons to the Google Pixel 2 or the iPhone 10. So that's gonna wrap up this video. First impressions on the Galaxy S9, definitely better than the Galaxy S8. If you enjoyed watching this video, it does help me out if you take just 1 second to drop a like down below, and of course, hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you want to help support the channel, you can head over to shop.iupdateos.com, buy a t-shirt. That would be incredible. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.